Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a wash and go. I haven't been able to do one all summer because I live in Atlanta and the humidity, it don't mix well with my hair, and my hair just shrivels up like a little afro. So I've been doing more blowout styles, but I'm off this week so I can finally do a wash and go. And I took a mini vacation to Florida, and so it was nothing but water all in my hair. So I gotta clean this very well. And I always get a lot of questions on how do I get my hair so curly? How do I do this? How do I do that? What products do I use? I just want to say that there's no one product that can make your hair curly. And I have had to train my hair for at least, it took up to maybe a year, by cutting all the dead ends off and training it, doing deep conditioners every Friday, Saturday, whatever. You literally have to train your hair. But for now, I'll take you on the process of what I use and what I do to get my hair curly in the wash and go state. But like I said, it's not one product. It's not one product. Unless you are born with naturally curly hair, it's not one product that you can use. You literally have to train your hair. Now, I'm gonna take you on a step-by-step process, and I'm gonna hop in the shower and get this hair going, and we're gonna get started. All right, so before I hop in the shower, I wanted to go over some things that you'll need as you are taking your natural hair journey. So first things first, you'll definitely need a detangling brush. Okay, this is to get all the tangles out. So it also can help clump your curls at times as well. But for me, I definitely use it for detangling when I'm in the shower. Some people like to use a wide tooth comb. I use either or I use my fingers if I don't want to pull so much hair out. You'll also need these little handy dandy clips to section your hair. If you have a lot of hair, you'll definitely need these clips to section your hair for, so you can work in small parts. Get all the product and the definition that you want in your hair. Some people, they like to use a pre-poo. If they have so many kinks and tangles, they'll use a pre-poo. And definitely need a water bottle. Always gonna need a lot of water. They'll use this to spray it down, and then they'll use a pre-poo. Or for me, if you have conditioner, you could use that as well. So instead of me going in with a shampoo then the conditioner, I'll just use my conditioner to get all the knots out and the tangles out as I detangle it. And you definitely need water on every step of the way. When you finish, you definitely need a good shampoo. Okay, you cannot skip the shampoo part. You just gotta shampoo your hair. That's what makes it clean. That gives you a clean canvas. That's what sets the tone. And so after you do all your shampooing and detangling, you wanna go in with deep conditioner. These are the steps that you just definitely cannot miss. This gives you the hydration. For me, it helps my hair to grow a little bit longer and get a little bit thicker, but it's definitely for hydration purposes. For me, I usually go in 3 times a month with a hydrating mask. This is the Intensive Hydration Manuka Honey from Shea Moisture. And I would say, sometimes I go in every other week. I'll do 1 week a hydration mask and 1 week a strengthening mask. But my hair is doing pretty well. I don't really need as much strengthening, that many strengthening masks. So I'll go on once a month with a strengthening mask. But I used one last week, so I probably won't use one until like 2 more weeks, two more weeks, maybe 3. So it just depends on how my hair feels. You'll know if your hair needs some strengthening, but for me, I need some hydration. Along with your deep conditioner, you want to have some type of oil. Some people use grapeseed oil, I don't know. I just use whatever oil I have on hand, and it works for me. So this is the TGIN Miracle Repair Anti-Breakage Serum. Or sometimes I use Wild Growth. I just use whatever I have on hand. Like, my hair is trained now, so I can kind of pretty much use whatever. This is what I'm using now, or the Wild Growth. This is what I have. So after you get through all those stages, you're ready to actually, you know what? You deep condition. Your deep conditioning process, you definitely gonna need one of these bad boys. Okay? Definitely gonna need a dryer, heated thermal cap to trap all that heat in so it can moisturize your hair and get moisturized, silky, all of that stuff. Deep conditioning, oil with the deep conditioning, and sit in the dryer for 20, 30, 45 minutes is your best friend. is your best friend. And after all of that, you're gonna need some clips. I use these for my wash and goes. I definitely use these clips to section my wash and goes, and you'll see that throughout the process when I get to it. So that just keeps everything in place and keeps my work that I've already done in place. At the last but not least, you definitely gonna need some scrunchies to keep your hair, to stretch your hair and keep it in place while you're sleeping at night or while you're doing whatever. If you just don't want to touch, you just want to keep it away, you definitely need some scrunchies. All right, so we're gonna get to the shampooing part now. I had to throw that in. My hair has been blown out, so I don't need to pre-poo or use the conditioner to detangle, so I'm just gonna go straight in and shampoo on my hair. So you only need pre-poo. Well, and for my hair, I only use pre-poo or conditioning pre-poo when I have a lot of tangles, when I know my shampoo is just not gonna get through it. That's when I pre-poo or conditioner. So I'm coming out of a blown out state, so I don't have any kinks and tangles, so I think I'll be fine. So that's when you need your pre-poo or your conditioner, is when you have so many kinks and tangles and you just cannot get through it.
Teamed up with Spotify to bring you